So hello, today we have this documentation for the Schaublin 128, the CNC. And this one is for the Siemens 810, the T. And yeah, I'm going to show you the impression of the documentation. So over here we have book number 1. With a beautiful print, so very handy and good readable. With all different images and pictures. Over here we have book number 2. Book number 3, the programming course. Also with some pictures, as you can see, of the machine in working. With all the different tools and all the different models you have. And over here you can see the machine, of course. Over here we have the programming. Book number 4 is this 5 is this, by the way. This one is for the revolver, the 128. So yeah, I hope that somebody can use this documentation for the Schaublin, and thanks for watching.